Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a Skype ID. So in order to do this, first of all, open a Skype application and log in using your user credentials. Now, you can also do this on a Skype's website. Simply navigate to any browser on a PC, type in Skype, hit enter and log into www.skype.com using your user credentials. So after navigating here, click on the sign in button, log into Skype and you will see an interface that will look something like this. This is a Skype application. Here, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen and choose the Skype profile under Manage section. Now, when you click on this button, your Skype name will be available here. This will be your Skype ID. You can simply right click and click on copy or click on share profile and click on copy to clipboard. Now you can navigate anywhere and paste your Skype ID just by pressing Ctrl+V. So you can navigate to your profile icon, select a Skype profile and your Skype's ID will be available just right here. So that's how you find a Skype ID. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.